Our love for each other was so pure. I looked out for you, you reached out to me. We would never be separated by simple aberration, cause our regular collaborations, yes, at times together was so sweet. And on the weekends we would have our meetings. You were seeking my attention, you called me every single day for conversation. You were confident even when the problems and obstacles and potholes were challenges. You trusted me amidst your disarray. I hoped you stayed to hear what I had to say. My encouragement was your strength to carry on, even though you relied on Dom Perignon. You wanted a higher love, I provided. You are my bride, why did you fight?